Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix Edge critical error messages. This error usually happens due to corrupted browser data, conflicting extensions, or damaged system files. First, restart Microsoft Edge and your PC by closing all Edge windows. Open the Windows menu, click the power icon, and choose Restart. After rebooting, open Microsoft Edge again. Press Ctrl-Shift-Delete, then select Cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Click Clear now. Next, go to Extensions and disable all installed extensions. Then return to Settings and open Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their default values and confirm Reset. Now repair Microsoft Edge. Search for Settings from the Windows search bar and open it. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps and search for Edge. Click the three dots next to Microsoft Edge and choose Modify. Then click Repair. After repairing, open Microsoft Edge again. Go to Settings, then About Microsoft Edge, and make sure it is updated. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Microsoft Edge critical error messages by restarting the system, clearing cache, disabling extensions, and repairing the browser. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.